custom fire pit design, and installation services in Indianapolis and surrounding areas. Selecting custom fire pit design and installation is much more than adding a chimney to the ground or digging a pit or placing a few stones around the perimeter to protect the grass and other landscaping. When you have Emerald Meadows Landscaping, you'll get a fire pit like no other. Our professional design team will sit down with you to discuss your needs and help you understand the strengths and weaknesses of your property to design a safe fire pit that the whole family can enjoy. The benefits of adding a fire pit to your home: 1. A great addition to your outdoor space. 2. Increases property value. 3. Visually appealing. 4. A place to cook, and so on. When you select Emerald Meadows Landscaping to install your fire pit, you won't have to worry about the job being completed in a timely fashion. Once you approve the construction plan, we will schedule a possible installation date and complete the project as soon as possible. We strive to provide you with the type of service that we ourselves would expect. Contact us today at 317-426-8577.